already know, Jandal's production out here is your boy Nuts.
Finally! It's your boy Leo
And Jesus.
Oh, okay. I like that.
And today we got a little special for you guys. You already know. It's called the pan challenge. You know.
Oh, man.
So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Are you kind of
Or just rock, paper, scissors.
Shut up.
Okay,
Alright. Whoever wins has to hit the loser with a pan on the head.
Hard. Like, you have to bleed. If you don't bleed, then
Yeah,
I'm
you
not
don't
playing.
bleed.
No, of course not. We don't do those type of things here. Of course not. Okay, now let's play.
Let's go. Alright, so who's first? Alright, go. Wait, no, like, let's see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I go first.
God damn it.
Wait, no, but now between me and him, we gotta see who goes.
Go, whatever.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah! Let's go.
God damn it. Wait, hold on. Oh, I gotta get hit?
No, now it's you two. Because we're gonna see who
We
goes first.
won.
But we're gonna see who goes first.
To get hit?
Yeah.
I'm so
Like,
confused
no,
right now.
I won, you won, so
Now
you
you go.
I can gana. El que gane tiene. I'm lost.
You lost me like a long time ago.
Okay, what? I don't
You and him,
understand.
go. You and him.
Okay, bro.
Hold on. Just know that between us.
Actually, you and me.
Exactly, what the hell are you talking about? Stupid ass.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go!
No, hold on. You lost me. No, now it's you
No,
and me.
it's you and
stupid.
him.
No. It's
No,
you.
me and him.
No.
I won.
I'm so confused. No. All right, let's make it better. We all go do the same thing we just did, and whoever you're last. That means you don't go. For example, fuck, I confused myself.
Fuck
guy.
it,
What
you
the hell did I
go.
just say, guys?
Go.
All right, fuck it. What?
Oh, I just got an idea.
In the
Alright,
middle
go.
of the video.
Don't worry about it, bro. People enjoy watching this.
They love the creativity.
Alright, listen. All of us are gonna do it at the same time. If you win both of us, you hit both of us.
I did win both
Alright,
of you.
that's it. We're doing it again.
Oh
Go.
my.
Go.
Go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let's go! Let's
Woo! Alright, go.
What do you mean go?
Go. Hey.
Duck, goose.
Alright, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let's go.
My turn.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, that shit hurt.
Damn, you hit the peak, guy.
Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go. This guy hit.
Go.
Yeah. Nah, hold on. You ready?
Yo, that was weak as fuck. Go. Alright, go. Okay, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Fuck is this, guys?
What the fuck?
You okay, bro?
It's okay, guy. You can slap me if I lose, guy. You can slap me if I lose. I had to do that because he slapped me once hard.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom, and then you hit me. So I have to hit him and you hit me.
And then I hit you.
What do you mean? No. Hell no.
I had rock.
What the fuck he talking
I had
about?
rock
He
and you
lost though.
You took
Dude,
you.
what the? No, we got. Whenever
It
that
was a
happens, we gotta
three-way.
go
Fuck
again.
it.
No. Yo, what the fuck? You stupid. Alright, if that happens, then we gotta do it again. Alright, you ready? One. Wait, what the fuck am I saying one?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
It happened again.
What the fuck?
Okay,
Alright,
no, happen again.
hold on,
What?
right? You gotta do it. Every time that happens, we gotta switch it up.
Alright,
Right.
go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Volcano. I won.
No.
Fuck! Ah.
What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you? What's wrong with you guys?
Alright, okay, so that was a draw.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Again.
What the hell is this? What's wrong with you guys playing the same shit?
I have to
Alright.
hit you and he has to hit me.
No!
Alright.
Give me that shit. No one's gonna hit no one. We gotta keep doing it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
My fucking
Yes!
God.
Yes! Let's go.
Dork. You're a bigger dork.
Oh,
Damn, dude, that actually hurts, guy. You're hitting me in the bumps that I have in my big ass head.
All right, let's go.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
We both hit him.
God.
Hit his ass. Hit his ass. Ah.
All right.
Let's go.
Woo. All right, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my God, you in rock, guy.
Go, go, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh, fuck. Oh, oh fuck.
God. Oh my God.
Fuck.
Jesus Christ, I shot them hard.
Nigga, you sent me back to heaven.
Back to heaven, you were never.
Alright.
Woo! And we're back. Well, we were never gone, but sorry. I fucked up the video, guys. I shouldn't even be in the video to begin with.
Thank God.
What?
We left, guys. Thank God, dude. Let's kick him out. Man, nobody likes Leo, bro.
Alright.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, so why the hell do you have a Pringles thing here?
We're not sponsoring, by the way. They don't like us.
Yeah, they said to fuck off, so.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, my language. I had to change my language, guys. Yo! That's it, alright? That's it.
I call it truce.
Nah, we're good.
Alright. So, anyways, yeah, and.
Why you gotta hit hard?
Oh, back slap?
My bad.
Back slap?
No, I wanna do slap.
No, guy.
Slap. I'm sorry. Yo, chill.
Jesus, what the hell was
Yo, that hurt, you stupid ass. You wanna play? Go, have a go. Alright, that's it. Let's not get too hasty now, guys. Yo, relax, guys.
Get away from that back.
Yo, alright, that's it, guys. Alright, that's it. Truce?
Fuck off.
What? No. Dude, that hurts, yo. That was guy, that hurts.
Fuck off, man. Alright.
Oh, you wanna play?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Alright, that's it. You know,
Alright,
we got on the wrong foot. Let's just put the weapons down and just relax. Oh. Alright, you can keep it up. Oh.
Alright.
Okay, so these guys wants to fight for some reason.
Oh, God.
God damn, these guys are just like fucking shit up. Yo, chill out with the TV and all that, guy. What the? No, honestly, I don't even know. It's like looking at two fat seals having rough sex. Oiled up sex. What the? Alright, forget about the seals. It's like squirrels fucking or some shit. What the? Oh, what is going on? I think. Oh, okay. Oh, Jesus.
Oh! Man.